hold it while I tell y'all my... Girl, stay.
The name above names, worthy of all his praise, that still ain't enough. Yeah, you don't know how hard I prayed, and he looked in my grave and he told me, get up.
I'm going for this TikTok. Now, it's basically me putting together. Maybe I'm gonna send y'all the video. Y'all help me. I'm find it. Oh, it's so crazy.
Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, there's a little bit of orange on my hand from opening the bag. And I'm a nerd, so I'm probably going to get more of these little action figures for myself. But I got this toy for my brother. He loved it. Just so y'all know, it's very well packaged. It comes with a ring pretty much melded to Sonic's hand, and that's it. What is this? I literally never remember anything that I order. It's actually kind of annoying. But this is such a memorable item. It's crunched up on the sides, but I forgot I ordered this. Yeah, I was kind of freaking out there, but rightfully so. Like, look at all the details. Oh, you got studs, you got the crosses, you got the writing on the bag, you got the fact that it's patent leather. It's a good enough size for your phone to fit, your lip glosses. I'm just like so in love. Here you see me putting on the strap wrong. But you know, that doesn't matter because I can easily just redo it because they're adjustable. Just look at these safety pins and these flames. Like, the bag eats. Now it's on to the next on to the next one. Pink crocodile bag looking like, I don't know. I do know it's cute though. I love the sturdy little handle. My sister hated the chain that I just pulled out the bag though, but I think it gives it a nice touch. As you see, it's still curved to the bottom, just like the other bag was. Now, a tip for me in storing my bags, I just leave whatever packaging put, like stuff they came with inside, or I'll stuff it with more packaging just to make sure it holds the shape while it's hanging and waiting to be worn. What the? Scrunched. I forgot about these. Ooh. So I normally don't buy glasses from online, but the fact that these things actually fit my big head, I'm gonna go back and get them in matte colors. And they were very sturdy. They didn't feel flimsy or like they would break at all. Now the next piece is this Y2K inspired, well, Juicy Couture inspired arm bag. I just love the colors bouncing off each other. I love blue and green together. I love the way that the bag was packaged, like the strap being tucked under the bottom. Like, that way of packaging it helped it keep its shape. The J on the back is very cute. The material of the bag is like suede, velvety vibe. The writing on the front does not say Juicy Couture, even though in passing, looking at it quickly, you'd think it does. The bag has quite a bit of space, and since I filmed this, I've used this bag like almost every day. Like, I really like this bag a lot. This is like one of them arm bags you throw on to go for a ride in the car. You going to Target, heading to Walmart, you know what I'm saying? You ain't going nowhere special, but you still cute. And I love that the zipper is a heart. It's just so precious. And y'all saw me stuff the bag like I said I would, just to keep the shape. Good little zip bag or something else right here. Let me stop playing with y'all. This is supposed to be one of them self-defense whistles. But as you can hear, it's not loud enough. Now, being honest, I don't know whose life that whistle would be saving, because it's not mine. I gave it to my little nephew and he's having a ball. But on to the useful, ever so useful item of a bonnet. Every order I pretty much, when I go to a new store, I want to try out their bonnets. This bonnet is actually pretty nice. It doesn't slip, it doesn't fall off my head. It's very soft, but it's cheap, you know, it's a cheap bonnet. But it gets the job done nonetheless. Now here we are with a couple of nail options. Literally a couple because I only got two. I love these pink ones. These look exactly like the ones you get from Shein. So I know that they're going to fit very well. Literally made by the same company. The name on the box is the exact same. You got the filer, the nail gel sticky things. I never use those. I always use the glue. This does not come with nail glue, but the second nails I'm about to show y'all does, which was very helpful. And that glue that it comes with is really, really strong. Now these next nails I was so excited for because I knew they were going to be thicker and sturdier and they wouldn't bend like other nails that I've bought. And they came with the same tools as the first nails did. The only problem about these nails is I bought them in a size medium. They're so perfect. Oh, they would go with that bag so well. The black one, I was just like, oh, the thumb fit, but no other nails fit on my fingers. I needed to get the large. I was playing myself. Trial and error. All right, so this next piece was something I also forgot I ordered. It's a wig stand. It's kind of short, but I guess I would just put like bob wigs on it. Anyway, the instructions come on the bag, but obviously I don't speak that language, so I'm just winging it here.
Wait, stop the motherfucking music. You, are you dumb?
Honestly, I was seriously considering maybe I am dumb at this point, but I finally got it together and realized that goes on the top. It's not very hard to put together. I was just struggling. All right, now I'm gonna try my best not to cuss. Let me stop playing. I just wish I would. Because why? This whole haul was so happy. I loved it, but I was the most hype about this item, and this item let me down the absolute most. This damn thing stunk so bad, it made my sister cough. It's a jumpsuit and grab. Look at how it look on me. I'm about to go fight crime. The arms is short. The legs is short. The back is gappy, giving me that toddler back, My butt looks great, but that's because my butt is my butt. Like, what's going on right now? The zipper didn't want to go up, like a mess. No. And the material was giving Scuba Steve. Like, I couldn't. Alrighty, so, hello, I just love this bag, even though it says Joey Katoi. I'm gonna hold it while I tell y'all my... Girl, stay. I don't really know how to feel about the haul. I'm happy about the bags. Obviously, they came a little bit crushed up. Some things came a little bit curved and bent, but we saw the way it was packaged.
What the hell?
This stuff was all very affordable, and I'm very happy with the items. I'm happy with all the bags, every one of the bags, even Jesse McCartney. Yeah. Like, I knew it wasn't Juicy Couture, duh, and I didn't really care. But Juicy Smoulier.
Y'all never heard of Juicy Smoulier?
I would say that my favorite item of the haul was the black chrome heart inspired bag. I just love that bag so much. I love anything chrome heart inspired. I'm just here for it. I would say my least favorite item has got to be that last item, the bodysuit. I really didn't like that. I don't know what I expected. I didn't expect it to be the most best thing I could have possibly purchased with my money, but I definitely didn't expect it to be that much of a disappointment. It was see-through, short on the sleeve, short on the legs, and yeah, I'm 5'8", 5'9", but at the same time, like, damn.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
If you guys liked this Temu haul, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try some more items. I'd recommend Temu for people. I wouldn't recommend Temu for clothing. No, nothing against Temu. We can get clothing anywhere else. Like, I would recommend it for the bags and the accessories, and I'm gonna go back to Temu for the bags and accessories. And with all that being said, I love you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. I love commenting back with y'all in the comments. So please keep commenting. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I think I do have a wig tutorial coming up next. I'm very excited about that wig because It's a little extra. It's not, but it's still yes. You know, I appreciate y'all so much. God bless. Please stay prayed up. This world is crazy, and y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified of all the videos I post from this point on. And that's all. Oh, peace.
The name above names, worthy of all his praise, that still ain't enough, yeah. You don't know how hard I prayed, and he looked in my grave and he told me get up, yeah. At times I wanted to give up, told me trust him, even with faith the same size as the mustard.